That's my Jeep update, and it's Sunday the 23rd, and I went ahead and pulled my carrier back out because I have too much backlash. I need to make a shim adjustment. I'm showing about 14 thousandths of a backlash at various spots. I pulled the carrier out yesterday, Saturday, and I'm checking my shims. I'm going to use an original shim on the carrier side. I'm going to put a shim stack together for the right side. I will try to adjust the backlash between 5 and 8 thousandths. I would like 6 thousandths. Also, I will make another adjustment to my preload. It needs to be a little higher. I'm showing about 15 inch-pounds. Specs show 15 to 25. I'm gonna shoot for 20. This Jeep's been a long, hard road, a lot of work, and a lot of money over the past 2 years. But I've enjoyed this rebuild. It's been a lot of fun for me, and it's my hobby right now. Before the rebuild is over, I will go through every system on my Jeep. And some of the systems that I still have to do is the front differential, the transfer case, and the transmission. Most of these systems just require service and brought up to date. This also includes service on my new AC system. It still has to be vacuumed and Freon service. Evap system must be put back together. And so far the timing chain and sprockets, they seem to be doing just fine. All new suspension, front and rear, and all new brakes, calipers, rotors, everything. Replace the rear hatch and wiring harnesses. New thermostat, water pump, changed out a lot of sensors. Installed new coil spring brackets on the front. Changed out ball joints, fun job. New coil springs. Anyway, my point is I've spent a lot of time on the Jeep, spent a lot of money, but I feel that it's worth it. It's given me a nice hobby, and it's taken up my slack time, and I'm looking forward to continuing my rebuild.